Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect and use Linkpop by Shopify. So this is like a link in bio tool for e-commerce. So you're just going to go to your Shopify dashboard and you're going to click apps. Here you're going to click enter Linkpop and you're going to search for it in your Shopify app store. And you're just going to install it. Now you will be redirected to this page, so you're just going to continue to Linkpop. And you're gonna create a Linkpop page using your Shopify store details and products. So you of course want to have the products in your Shopify store already. So let's just continue. Select our store. Now you can choose your page URL, but I'm just gonna leave it like so. And this is how they done it already for me. You can of course edit everything or do everything from scratch, but it's actually really great that they can already add my featured products here. So you can also add another product if you want to, like so. So let's browse some products and for example select them like so. You can also add some other content like a website, add affiliate product links. So for example, if you have Amazon affiliate program associates, you can actually add the product links here, or here I mean, and here some other affiliate links. So you can actually paste your URL here and they will be added here, which means delete the link. Now, you of course want to edit the style of it. So the background color, let's choose something more brighter. Like so. Now the card color, you can also choose and change it if you just, so for example, let's make it like this. Now you of course want to edit the My Store thing. You want to enter your own details. Or if you already have your store name, it will be shown here. Now the card shape, you can choose to be very square, rounded corners, or more like an oval one. I'm just gonna leave this one. Now the text font, so you can change it, and the color of it too. Now the bio would be, you can upload a profile picture here, and now this is where it will be put, like your logo or something. So now you can also write a description, a profile description, a profile name, and that's basically it. You can also put some social media handles, for example, like a YouTube channel. So let's put my YouTube channel here. And now we can actually publish it. And this is how it looks like. As you can see, you can actually click on the YouTube icon. So that's that, guys. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.